K-pop with me. I'm Erica, and tonight I'm going to be reacting to Fire Truck by NCT 127. I'm super excited. They've postponed it for like another 12 hours, so just waiting for it, like maybe really anticipate it. I'm super excited for the new subgroup or the new unit that's going to be for Seoul, NCT 127, and I'm rambling because I'm just so excited. I was waiting for another 2 hours just because I was watching a movie earlier, and now I'm here home ready to watch this MV. So let's get into it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, yo! The beat got me already. Taeyong getting it. Jaehyun raps. I know Jaehyun raps in this. I remember I read online that he wrote his own rap, Mark, and Taeyong also did, but hearing him rap is like, wow. Sorry. I'm good. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What? Yay. I'm sorry, that's funny. Hey. Okay, that's catchy though. Oh, your voice! Sunghyuk! Haechan! Oh my gosh. Oh, Win-Win looking good. Yes, get it, Mark. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was one of them. I was gonna be working. I love your voice. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. Ah, Taeyong! Yes. Yes, Win-Win. Ooh, that was cool. They're just causing so much havoc. Okay. Yes, Taeyong, get it. Yes. Yes, Sabancha. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice ripple. No, it can't be over. It can't be. What? What? So, that was NCT's 127 Fire Truck. I really liked that. Like, the bass, oh my gosh, the bass in this is so good. Like, it's so catchy. And I remember watching the trailer and I was like, so hyped for it. But one thing I wish they did was, for when they said Fire Truck, I'd rather them say it in Korean, Sabangja. Because when I heard it in the trailer, it sounded better, and like when I'm hearing them say it in the music video saying just fire truck, it didn't get me as hyped as when they said Sabangcha. So that's one thing. But I mean, at the very end, they did kept saying Sabangcha. So I don't know. But they all looked really good. Like really, really good. And the choreo was like pretty freaking awesome too. And I can't wait to see when they perform this live. Show champion and everything. But hearing the new members that haven't necessarily been like in NCTU, like Yuta's voice, Winwin. I didn't really see Winwin often. Like I'm not quite sure of his voice yet, but Yuta's voice I really liked. And Donghyuk, who goes by AHHH now, I like his voice too. Like it's high pitched, but it works for this type of song, for what lyrics he had. I love it. I love it. So that was my reaction to NCT's 127's Fire Truck Sabangcha, and I hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!